Tell her go have excuse.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not.
I feel like I'm gonna chill off my water, you see me? Cause water make me feel away, you see me? So, I'll probably go back in that water. If not, I'm tell you no, I'm checking it. But if not because I out here watch a view, you see me? I'm going to read it. But guys, wanna do me a favor and just subscribe, brother. His subscriber count is too high, brother. The man tell me say it has say 95% are only no subscribe, brother. How, brother? Bro, you need to subscribe, brother. We need to get up his views, dogs and shit, dog. You don't want to see me prosper. You don't want to see me prosper. Tell me what you want if you want to do a spicy video challenge. And tell you about me. Or just a spicy challenge. But guys, I have a vlog to do tomorrow. I go redo a vlog cause yeah. So I don't know what I can call it. So when we do it, we go back. But I plan to do back a comedy video there, but we not sure yet. But guys, no, this is a good side. But guys, what would I say? If you see two bad looking girls bro walk past and they do nothing, dog. That happened to me, dog. You never do nothing. You all talk, no bar. But guys, me I catch you back in some interesting one, you see me? Me I do this intro cause me don't know what go and see other one. This intro. Tell me if you can't hear me cause music a blast loud, me I turn on my voice, but yeah, this intro. I want to get 100 likes. You see pan this, you see me? Or if it don't take 1 day or 2 days or a week, it will take a while, but we need 100 likes pan this, you see me? Yeah, so at that me just a tune in and say, you see me? Me I catch you back anytime some interesting one, you see me? So, me I chuck off up here so. Up here so me I chuck off. Why? Because me can't. I don't know if you can't see me, but if you can't see me, I saw. I Hellshire with it. Tell her go have excuse. They're recording now. Yo, with the idea, we'll probably jump off again. But yeah. But. You're not shallow. Yes, you're not shallow. I don't just want to give you free. What? Don't just deep. Don't just other rock mine. Wait. You chuck her again? Can we hear you chuck off? People, may I tell you. Just a while ago, to chuck off. Just feel nice, you see me? But me I carry the phone, carry before I go put down and come back. And go home.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils.